friends. We have read about the moon, the story we read called The Moon Seems to Change, and we did a little bit of writing about the moon. But next, each of you will be doing some writing in English, and you will be writing about something in nature. So I'm actually using this noun paper to help me think of ideas. At the top, I wrote things in nature. So here are the things I thought of. People in nature, gardener, park ranger, rock climber. Places in nature, forest, swamp, prairie, mountains, desert, ocean, lake, or pond. Some animals in nature, deer, rabbits, birds, foxes, squirrels, snakes, fish, frogs. And some things in nature, flowers, plants, trees, insects, weather, clouds. This is so many ideas. And you can pick one of these ideas, or you can think of your own idea, but you need to decide something in nature that you know about, okay? Something that you know about or that you are interested in learning about. For me right now, I'm going to choose birds because I know a little bit about birds. So I'm going to choose birds, and then all I need to do for today's assignment is I need to write any facts that I know about birds. Okay, and I'm just going to write the sentences in a list. Okay, so I'm going to write birds build nests using sticks, comma, grass, comma, feathers, comma, and other things. Okay, I'm also going to write that birds have beaks. And I don't think I know all of the ways that birds use their beaks. Maybe I'll be able to find out more about that, but I'm going to just write they have beaks. Birds fly south in the winter because it's warmer in the south. I'm also going to write birds have feathers. Actually, I think I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to add it over here. Birds have beaks and feathers. Okay. What else do I know about birds? Oh, birds lay eggs. And baby birds hatch from eggs. Okay. Birds are many different colors. Okay. I've written 5 sentences. I have 5 ideas or facts about birds that I already know. You are going to think of 3 or more facts or sentences that you can write. You do not need to choose birds. I encourage you to pick something different that you are interested in. Please don't pick birds and write the same sentences as me. If you do pick birds, try to think of your own sentences, but I encourage you to choose your own topic, okay? Because we're going to be using this to do some writing in class. I can't wait to see what you choose. Good luck writing your facts.